So students, today we will learn what are different laws of exponents, which is exercise 1.6 of chapter 1. Okay, the first rule is x power a into x power b is equal to x power a plus b. Means if base is same, and it is the case of multiplication, power will be added. And in case of division, what will be? Power will be subtracted. Second rule. See, this is base and this is power. Okay? In case of multiplication, addition. In case of division, subtraction. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Third one. If any power is attached on power, means power. So what you have to do? You have to multiply x power. Third one. Okay? If power is negative, to make it positive, you have to take reciprocal. Reciprocal of x is 1 by x. X is written like x upon 1. You write 5 as 5 upon 1. What will be its reciprocal? 1 by 4. Means numerator goes to the denominator and denominator goes to
Denominator.
this is known as reciprocal. So what it will be? It will be x upon a. Suppose it has been given u upon b power minus a. U upon b power minus
A.
This is equal to b upon u power a. Means you have interchanged numerator and denominator, but sign of power has changed.
Change.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next, you have to not get confused. X power a into y power a is equal to, here base is not same, power is same. X, y, whole power a. Similarly, in case of division, x upon y whole power, whole power 3.
B.
Now, these sorry, A not B. So, next, these are formulas of exponent, but how will you apply these all formulas? Application. So, let us see. Suppose it has been written 2 power 3 into 2 power minus 9. So what will it will be? 2 power 3 plus minus 2 power 3 minus 9. 2 power minus 6. Some students commit mistake. They write 3 minus 9 is equal to 6. No, it is minus 6 because larger number has sign negative. In case of two numbers, if both are positive, answer is 5, then sign is plus. If both are negative, so sign is minus and both are added. In case one is plus and second one is, you have to subtract it.
Yes, sir.
That sign will be of the larger number. Minus 1. B minus 2 is equal to plus 1. You have to follow these rules. Okay? Now, this question is not completely solved. It will become 1 upon 2 power 6. And then you will multiply 2 6 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times. What will be? 64. One more, most important rule of exponent. Power of any number, any variable, if it is 0, value is always equal to 1. 10 power 0 is equal to 1, 11 power 0 is equal to 1, 121 power 0 is equal to 1, x minus y upon y whole power 0 is equal to 1, x square upon y square whole power 0 is equal to 1. You have to not focus on these. You have to focus on the power. If power is 0, then it is equal to 1. Now we will discuss some questions. You have to simplify it. 64 power minus 1 by 6. Here it has been written 6. So you have to find out of which number power 6 is equal to 64. So after getting prime factorization of 64, 2 power 6. What?
2 power 6.
Is equal to 64. How it is? Let us see here. 2, 32, 2, 16, 2,
8,
2,
4,
2,
1,
2.
1.
How many 2? 6. 2 power 6. Power upon power. It will be multiplied. You have to use bracket.
Yes, sir.
6 cancel by 6. 2 power minus 1. 2 means 2 by 1. Power minus 1 is equal to
1 upon 2.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Next one, 125 power minus 2 by 3. Here in the denominator there is 3. You have to think 5 power 3. Power, okay? 5 power minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 5 power
2.
is negative. To make it positive, you have to take reciprocal. So your answer is 1 upon 20.
5.
128 power 1 by 7. Of which number power 7 is equal to 128? After prime factorization, you will get 2 power 7. What?
2 power 7.
Power 1 by 7. Cancel out. Why I have not taken reciprocal here? Because power is not in negative. Positive. So your answer is 2. Okay? 1, 3, 3, 1. Power 2 by 3. Upon 3. Cube of which number is 1331? 11 cube. So you must know the table from 1 to 20, square up from 1 to 30, and cube from 1 to 10 at least. These knowledge you must have. 2 by 3, 11 power minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 11 power is equal to 11 into 11 is equal to 1 upon 120. X power a minus b into x power b minus c into x power c minus d. Base is same x.
Yes, sir.
Case of multiplication. So if base is same and it is the case of multiplication, powers will be added. A minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. Cancel out.
Yes, sir.
What you will get? X power 0. This is equal to 1. Sometimes this question appears in this form also. A cube minus b cube into x, b cube minus c cube, x, c cube minus a cube. Nothing different. Same.
Cancel out.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Everything will be cancelled out.
Yes, sir.
X power 0 is equal to 1. According to rule of good mass, first of all, you have to divide, multiply, and after that addition and subtraction. You know, BODMAS. 25 power 100. You will not subtract. First of all, you will divide. So let the. Okay. Sorry, you have to write here minus. Yeah. 25 power 100 minus 4 minus 96. 25 power 0 is equal to. So, Bodmas, according to rule of Bodmas, first of all, what happens students what do? They write 100 minus 80, 20 divided by 20. They subtract. No. First of all, you have to divide, then multiply, and after that addition and
Subtract.
I hope all of you have understood the rules of exponents and its application. In the next video, I will explain you how to convert bar decimal in the form of P upon Q. Thank you.